Did you know a single silkworm cocoon can produce a silk thread longer than 1 kilometer? And this tiny insect supports a billion-dollar industry. Today we're exploring a traditional yet profitable farming business. Silkworm farming, also called sericulture. If you've ever wondered how silk is made and how farmers earn from it, watch till the end. Silkworm farming is the rearing of silkworms to produce raw silk. The most common species, Bombyx mori, feeds only on mulberry leaves and spins silk cocoons. That cocoon is the foundation of silk fabric. Sericulture starts with mulberry cultivation. Healthy mulberry plants need proper watering, pruning, and fertilization. Better leaves mean better cocoons. High-quality silkworm eggs should be purchased from certified suppliers. After hatching, silkworms are fed fresh mulberry leaves several times a day. Cleanliness and proper temperature are very important. Within 25 to 30 days, silkworms begin spinning cocoons. These cocoons are harvested and either sold directly or processed to extract silk. With low land requirement and regular income cycles, silkworm farming is a great option for farmers. It's eco-friendly, traditional, and still highly profitable today. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture. Until next time, happy farming and stay inspired.